Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the updated version of the MX Player application. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, hop over to your dashboard and let's begin. We'll do this in 2 steps. The first step is going to be unknown sources. So we'll be allowing the installation of apps from unknown sources or installation of unknown apps right there in settings using developer options. The second step is we're going to be using the unlinked application to download and install MX Player. Let's hop over to step 1. I'm going to click settings and then all settings. From all settings, I'm navigating down to system, and under system, about. Under about, a little bit close to the bottom where I find the OS build. So on the OS build, I'm going to click on this 7 times. So go ahead, click on this 7 times to become a developer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This makes you a developer. You see a message saying you are now a developer. And this actually grants you the permission to allow apps, install other apps from unknown sources, or install unknown apps. Now, if you have done that, all you need to do is come back to the dashboard and hop over to step 2. So in step 2, we're going to go to the Unlinked application and launch it. If you do not have this app already, check the link in the description below. That will show you how to get this app on Google TV. When you have the app, launch it, head over to the Add New library and add Everything library. So EVERYTHING, all in capital letters with no spaces. And scroll down to this media players. As you see, I'm down on media players and you can find the MX application right here. Just navigate to it and click on OK. That will bring you to the app. You find this download button here when you click on the app. So just click on download and give it a couple of seconds to download. Now, when this app is done downloading, all you're going to do is install the app. And if it's the first time installing the app, you can find a message with various forms. It may be saying install from unknown sources, install an unknown app. It could say grant permission or grant unlinked permission. All of these messages mean the same thing. It's imploring you to give unlinked the permission now that you're a developer to install an application which is unknown or install an application from an unknown source. Hop over to unlinked and click on the toggle to turn it on. Now when it's on, you find the installation button right here. So this update button is as equivalent as install. So just click on it, and after a couple of seconds you have that player readily available on your dashboard or your app drawer. So just give that a couple of seconds to complete the installation, and right there you find the MX player on screen. So you can use the player to play any of the videos and enjoy it. So if you found that insightful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.